Competitive lobbies. I don't understand them. You download the monkey game, literally no legs at all. No legs. You could literally wear top hat glasses, bow tie, and you play competitively. Like you try hard, and like you think you're better than everybody else. Like this game is meant for social interaction and fun. Yet for some reason, people play super competitively, and I don't understand why. I've never played competitive until a friend at school. He told me, I'm better than you. I was like, bet. We still are yet to 1v1, but he said he plays competitively. I'm thinking, this kind of cringe, and knowing that I am the CEO of the Anti-Cringe Association, so I must try it out. I don't know. So let's just try it out. And just so you know, if you wanna get competitive, you have to finish this. It's kind of hard. Not really, if you know what you're doing. But yeah. So all you have to do is just finish this sort of lobby, whatever, and you're good to go. The button's over there. I already got it activated. So let's try it out.
I'm actually it. Hey guys! I'm actually it. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I was in! I was in! Buddy, this is competitive! Not freaking minigames! You're the last one! Yellow, you're the last one! Seriously, this is not minigames, buddy!
Frick everybody else.
I'm so sorry, Yellow. I'm literally the best Yellow. You're so bad.
I'm so freaking bad.
I'm sorry, Yellow. I'm sorry. You didn't even tag me, did you? I'm kidding. I'm gonna pick up somebody. I'm gonna pick up somebody. Look at you, you're bad. You're so dog water. You couldn't even tag me. Lava monkey's cracked. No. I'm gonna report you for cheating and hacking. Me?
I have immediately regretted joining competitive.
He's cheating and hacking. What? Someone else is in there. No one can tag him. It's called cheating and hacking. How do you branch? When you branch, it's called cheating and hacking.
I regret doing this video.
Did we get red? We have to get smooched ready. Yeah, red, that's what I thought. Get smooched, baby. No, you didn't even tag him. You didn't even yes, I did. No, you did not. Dude, I'm legit standing on nothing. You didn't tag him, buddy. There's mad. Well, one he will be right. That's my thing.
Oh shoot, my hand. Oh frick. Oh my god, my lag is crazy. I should not have joined competitive. Oh frick. What? Oh my god.
Pink, we can talk about this.
No, I need content. I need content, okay? So we can't talk about this. Are you freaking kidding me? Man, this man lagging on Cricket Wireless or something. You good, bro?
Wireless.
Bro, you don't even have a monitor.
Oh shoot!
Gibberish. Eat my butt cheeks. Gibberish. Who's speaking gibberish?
Get you.
Oh yeah, baby. You can't get me, boy. Kiss me. I'm speaking gibberish.
Oh, get you. Where you going?
Oh shoot!
Why are you doing? Why you tapping? Bozo.
What the hell is going on over here?
Bro, all because I said we couldn't use your work
One time I actually was
Hello.
not you, the cold and then today I actually came back out. It just pooped me outwards. Oh, I'm good.
Crash!
Oh wait, what? Wait, you have tag lag.
No. No.
You have tag lag.
No, I don't. Bro, I literally dodged you. I have a recording of it.
Bro, the ding sounds so. How are the 6-year-old crossing?
I keep doing the same routes over and over and over again, yet no one has thought to interfere. Oh shoot, you might have.
Pink is bad. I'm not saying. I'm just saying. Who thinks pink is bad? Bad.
Oh shoot, I'm bad.
I'm not saying you are.
Oh,
I'm just saying who thinks you are.
thank you. You're the first nice person I've met in competitive.
You're.
Okay, where are you?
You're right.
Thumbs up or thumbs down, bro. If you have big feet, you have a big dick, bro. Thumbs up or thumbs down, bro. Brown monkey. It is brown monkey. Brown monkey. Brown monkey.
What is going on up here?
Shut up.
He's claiming that I'm new.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
I've been playing for 200,000 years.
Don't care, didn't ask, plus ratio.
Untag me, bro.
I'm not here, I am not here.
Oh,
The stupid branch. Hey bro, I won't tag you, but it'll cost you.
No. No.
I want 10,000 right now. Don't tag him, don't tag him, don't tag him. This is a... You're
he
fired.
ran into me.
You're fired.
You can't say
Nope,
no,
you're
he
fired.
ran into me.
You're fired. Ugh.
We're the monkey gang. Shut up, bro. We're the monkey gang.
Hey, top hat. Pink. Top hat pink. Am I fired?
Dude, are you in a cold or something now?
Yes, bro. I'm in the monkey KK car.
Why do that when you could subscribe to my channel instead?
Oh my god.
I swear if I hear monkey one more time, I'm gonna mute you. Okay, who the hell is saying that? Everybody's getting muted.
I didn't even say anything. No, I didn't say anything.
Bruh. Fine, you're not getting muted. Who was the one saying monkey? Who was the one saying
No,
monkey?
I was not. I was not the one who was saying monkey.
Yeah, but who was?
It was him. It was Geico.
No.
No, I know your voice. It wasn't you.
Yeah, I know. It was Black Monkey. He puts his voice to a high pitch
All
voice.
because I'm black, you said all because I'm black, right? All because I'm black. You
Hey, hey, hey!
little big, bruh.
I was not thinking you're still taking.
You're the one that keeps saying monkey.
Someone teach me how to play. Also, you're the other person that's doing it with you.
Okay. Is it you?
Where is he?
Yep, that's one of them, and it's the other black monkey.
Oh my god.
Let me mute him first before you tag me.
I'll teach anybody how to play. Who wants to use this?
Absolutely no one since you're in a competitive lobby.
It's another yellow.
I think it's pink. Pink who does the monkey moves. Okay, go to
Man, you need it. You went right over my head, bro.
The banana.
My controller. Hey.
I don't want to tag you, bro. If you tag pink, you're gay. Yeah, you don't want to tag.
He started it. It was monkey. Oh, cause I'm black. You're saying it was me.
Okay, it's either tag lag or everybody in this competitive lobby is super bad.
Yeah. No,
Oh, shoot.
half the people are probably terrible.
I saw both of you guys literally staring into each other's souls going,
Monkey!
monkey.
This monkey right here.
Okay, I'm going to the next lobby. God. First thing I do is join the lobby, and this is what I see. Oh,
Oh man.
Hey Alexa, play Mr. Rage by Mario Judo.
oh, this will be interesting.
500 pounds.
Oh!
No,
I'm not even chasing you, bro, and you're trying to juke me. Hey. Okay, bro, what was the point of that when you could have literally just climbed that tree right there? Like, bro, look at this. Look at this. Look. Wow, so much easier. But nah, you gotta climb on the wall, jump to that tree, jump off the tree, go onto the wall again, jump onto the tree, and then jump onto the next tree. Why do that when all you have to do is just pinch climb up here?
nah, but
Hello. I'm honestly kind of disappointed in myself I didn't tag him. Hey, hey, bro. This is on video.
swear to God, I just saw pink tag you. Oh, I'm
I'm not here. I do not exist. I am not here. I do not exist. I do not exist. I do not exist.
What do you mean?
No.
Yes, that
Hey!
you.
This is on video. This is going on YouTube.
You. Can I add you?
Why?
Oh,
Hey! I'm out. I'm out. Bro, I swear to God, I always manage to mess this up when I'm on video. But when I'm playing all by myself, I do that perfectly. Oh my god. Hey!
Hey, man. Golden hat? With rope? That's a spell? Yes, bitch. Banana.
Please. Please, I do not exist. I do not exist. You don't attack non-existent monkeys. 38%. Oh my god. Why do you scare me? Mess up. Come on, bro. Mess up. Mess up. Get him. What the hell? There. Exactly like casual, but people are. Hey! I'm out of this game. I'm out. It's too sus for my liking. I'm out. Competitive is literally just the exact same as casual, but people are weirder. Frick. Hey! Hey! I'm getting too tired for this. I'm out.
Well, I forgot to record an outro, but yeah, so what did we learn from this? Competitive is literally the exact same as casual, but there's no difference. Yep, no difference at all. Subscribe, or else.